Hey guys, I'll be doing a vlog today of my shop. Might as well do it now because I will be moving out of my shop soon, and it's for better purposes and better things to do this year, so stay tuned. So this is what the outside looks like. And this is my door. It's your girl. They come in here, right? Ghetto. So I should get a frame for that, but I don't. This is what it looks like. You have your complaint sign. I have my Texas license. And then you're supposed to have like a trafficking thing. For if girls are getting trafficked, they have the number. And this is just little comments from my clients that they've said about me. It's not too much going on. And then you come over here to this area. You have the lounging area. Excuse my voice. I made this rose wall. I should, or backdrop, I should post a video of how I made it, but that is old content. Then I have neon lights going on in here. This is what it looks like. Got the couch. One of my friends made this. I thought about doing like more things to the shop, but I did not get to it. This stuff right here is from the landlord, so that is another reason why I will be moving out. I want to move cities and everything, so not sure if that's really gonna happen, but this is her fridge, her microwave, everything. But this could have been a cute little dining room or another like Lash room. And then we have the bathroom in here. It's a cute little setup. That's me, you know, your girl Madi. And then we'll come back out here. And I always had a spare room. This is the only room that looks a hot ass mess. One time the air went out, so she brought fans here and that really didn't work because it was during the summertime. But this is the room that I never did anything with it. And yes, I'm going to show this because you got to show every part. You know, keep it real and simple. You know, we got a little, don't be like the rest, darling. You know, we got artificial flowers, and then this is my favorite sign. Lash take you from beach to beach. Good vibes only, because this is the room where I make the magic happen. We'll turn the light on, but you know, we have cleansers here, and then these are the cleansers that I hand make by myself. Yes, me. And you know, I got a couple of clients that still give me stuff. Have a speaker. There's my license, my operating license. We have this. A humidifier because it's humid sometimes. I threw some stuff on the wall because I just felt like I should have been doing more. This is the setup. This have always been my pictures. I made that rose wall like in 2019. And then I think I'm gonna do another video where it breaks down of what I have in here. But then I also will be making a video of when I move home. It looks a mess over here because I am in the process of working. Just wanted to make a little video of what my shop looks like. Madame Lashes. Thank you for watching my video on what my salon looks like. I've been here for 2 years. I really loved it. But it's time for my new chapter to come. One day I do want something where my name can be plastered on the top instead of me just having it on the door. I say at my 10-year mark. I'm at my 7-year right now doing lashes. So yeah, if you will, like, subscribe, and comment below.